Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the GitHub mobile app or Termux. Do it now and grant storage access. Once installed, sign in with your GitHub credentials and enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, create or copy the project files into a dedicated folder on internal storage so Git commands can find them. Make sure to pick a simple path without special characters. Once that is ready, move on to configuring Git identity and authentication for commits and pushes. You now configure Git and authentication so you can commit and push. Open Termux or a terminal in the app and run git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you@example.com. Then generate an SSH key, typically SSH key gen ted 25519c you@example.com or 4096-bit RSA, and copy the public key to your GitHub account. Once done, test the connection with SSH tgit at GitHub.com and clone the repository to confirm credentials work as expected. You finish by carrying out the typical workflow: edit files, run git add, then git commit clear message, and git push origin your branch. Once pushed, open the GitHub app to create pull requests or review CI status. If you need updates, git pull origin branch and resolve any merge conflicts inside your mobile editor. If something breaks, check the SSH agent or key permission. Confirm the remote URL is SSH versus HTTPS, and verify network or VPN settings. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.